Welcome to Biz Tips. I'm Chuck McLane, Lead Managing Director with CBIZ MHM in Phoenix. Today I'd like to talk to you about refinancing your debt and how it might affect your business. It could affect your business in either from a tax perspective or from a financial reporting perspective. When refinancing your debt in today's environment, which happens quite often, there are lots of little things to look out for. We at CBIZ and MHM can help you look out for the important things. The way that you structure your debt can have a significant impact on both your tax return or your financial reporting process. So let's talk about that a little bit. When you're looking at the debt modification, you want to be sure to know whether you have a modification or a total refinancing. If you have a total refinancing, you may have an extinguishment of debt resulting in a gain or loss on your financial statements. This could also impact your tax return, as you may need to write off certain of the costs associated with refinancing the debt. When you're looking at the debt refinance or modification, it's important to be able to measure the change that's going to occur. You first have to look at your existing debt agreements and understand what the cash flows are. Then you have to look to the new debt agreement and understand whether there's been a greater than 10% change in those cash flows. If there is a greater than 10% change, chances are you have a debt extinguishment and a new financing arrangement. This can cause a gain or a loss on your financial statements. If you want to avoid that gain or loss, you should work with your existing lender to modify the debt agreement in a manner that will avoid that threshold of change, thus preventing a gain or loss on your financial statements. Even though you may have a gain or a loss for financial reporting purposes, you may have a different result for tax purposes. The way that gains and losses are measured for tax can oftentimes differ from financial reporting purposes. So it's important that you contact us so that we can help you measure those things and look at the overall tax impact as well as financial statement impact. Thanks for listening today on Biz Tips. I hope you learned something new about debt restructuring and debt financing. Feel free to contact me for any questions that you might have. Thanks again from Biz Tips.